Victor Wembanyama, born the 4th of January 2004, nicknamed Wemby and the Alien, is a French professional basketball player for the San Antonio Spurs of the National Basketball Association, NBA. He was selected first overall by the Spurs in the 2023 NBA draft and is considered one of the best basketball prospects ever due to his rare combination of height, agility, and skills. Wembanyama began his professional career at age 15 with Nanterre 92 of the LNB Proa in 2019. 2 years later, he moved to ASVEL and won the Proa title in his only season with the team. In the 2020-23 season, Wembanyama signed with Metropolitans 92 and became the youngest player to win the Proa MVP award, while earning Proa Best Defender honors and leading the league in scoring, rebounds, and blocks. He was unanimously named an LNB All-Star twice, winning the All-Star Game MVP once, and was a 3-time Proa Best Young Player. Wembanyama also plays for the French national team, with whom he won a silver medal at the 2024 Olympics. At the youth level, he led his team to silver medals, including at the 2021 FIBA Under-19 World Cup, where he set the FIBA record for blocks per game in a single tournament. Following a historic rookie season in the NBA in which he led the league in blocks per game, Wembanyama was unanimously named the 2024 NBA Rookie of the Year, finished second in the 2020 for Defensive Player of the Year voting to compatriot Rudy Gobert, and became the first rookie ever to be named to the All-Defensive First Team. Victor Nanga Wembanyama Fodoro Vassal was born on the 4th of January 2004 in Lechesnay, a commune in the Yvelines department of the Paris region of France. His father, Felix, is of Congolese origin and was a track and field athlete who competed in the high jump, long jump, and triple jump. Born in Belgium, Felix acquired French nationality by naturalization on the 10th of February 2003. Victor's mother, Elodie de Fodoro, is a French basketball coach and former player. Wembanyama's father and mother are 1.98 meters, 6 feet 6 in, and 1.91 meters, 6 feet 3 in tall, respectively. His older sister, Eve, plays basketball professionally, and his younger brother, Oscar, has played basketball and handball at the youth level. His maternal grandfather, Michel de Fodoro, played professional basketball, and his grandmother, Marie-Christine, also played the sport. Wembanyama played football as a goalkeeper and practiced judo before focusing on basketball. He learned to play basketball from his mother, who was coaching youth teams. At age 7, Wembanyama began playing for Entente Lechesnay Versailles before joining the youth system of Nanterre 92 at age 10. He drew the attention of Nanterre in 2013 after Michael Allard, a youth coach for the club, noticed him on the bench at an under-11 game due to his exceptional height at 1.80 meters, 5 feet 11 initially mistaking him for a coach. In February 2018, Wembanyama was loaned to FC Barcelona for the Mini Copa del Rey, an under-14 tournament in Spain, leading his team to third place. He declined an offer to continue his career with Barcelona, citing that the coaches were not willing to challenge him. Player profile. Wembanyama is widely regarded as one of the greatest NBA prospects in a generation. Many publications called him the most anticipated newcomer to the league since LeBron James in 2003. He emerged as one of Europe's top prospects at age 14 and was viewed by analysts as a potential first overall pick in his draft class by age 16 during his final season before becoming eligible for the 2023 NBA draft. He was the consensus #1 pick in draft projections. NBA Commissioner Adam Silver said the league would pay particular attention to tanking for the 2023 draft due to the possibility of acquiring a once-in-a-generation player in the draft. Measured at 7 feet 3 plus 1 inches to 0.22 meters in June 2023 and having grown since, with an estimated 8 foot 2.4 meters wingspan. Wembanyama entered the NBA as one of the league's tallest players, although his height has raised questions about his durability. He often plays on the perimeter and has exceptional mobility and skills for his size, with the ability to handle and shoot the ball like a guard. Wembanyama is a capable three-point shooter, and his jump shot is difficult to block because of his length. He is a productive scorer in the paint with soft touch, a variety of post moves, and excels in the pick and roll. Defensively, he is an outstanding shot blocker due to his length and anticipation, and his fluidity allows him to guard smaller players. His thin frame and lack of strength have been labeled as weaknesses and encourage opponents to use a physical style of play against him. For this reason, he can struggle to box out while rebounding and to defend post-ups. Although some analysts have noted the unprecedented nature of his game, others have compared Wembanyama to Wilt Chamberlain and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. ESPN draft analyst Mike Schmitz compared his defensive impact to Rudy Gobert and his shooting potential to Kristaps Porzingis, albeit with better ball handling and passing skills. Personal life. Wembanyama is represented by agent Boone Ndaye of Comsport. His family has a long-time relationship with Ndaye, whose son was coached by Wembanyama's mother from an early age. Ndaye advised Wembanyama by the time he was 15 years old and signed him as a client in 2022. Wembanyama was a year ahead for his age in school and attended Lycée in agreement with Nanterre 92. He earned his baccalaureate with honors, specializing in earth and life sciences and social and economic sciences. Besides his native French, he speaks English fluently, having learned it himself beginning in middle school by watching videos from American accounts on Instagram and English language television shows. He enjoys science fiction such as Star Wars, art, and literature. His favorite musical artist is the rapper Alpha One. During the 2023 Las Vegas NBA Summer League, Wembanyama and his personal security team were involved in an incident with pop singer Britney Spears. Spears had approached Wembanyama in Vegas and tapped him on the back, leading to Wembanyama's security striking Spears in the face. No charges were filed after the incident. The jersey that Wembanyama wore in his debut game was sold at Sotheby's for a record price for newcomers of $762,000. He is also an avid chess player and has played with fans in Washington Square Park in New York City. In summer 2025, Wembanyama organized a Hoop Gambit chess tournament, which also included basketball competitions, in his hometown, Le Chesnay. Sponsorships. Wembanyama has secured several high-profile sponsorship deals, including partnerships with Nike, Takei, Fanatics, Barcode, and Louis Vuitton. In July 2023, he became a brand ambassador for the sports drink brand Barcode. While Wembanyama doesn't have his own signature sneaker yet, he helped design his own player-exclusive version of the Nike GT Hustle 2 called the Alien, inspired by his nickname. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.